Ready? So you have a classic car and you don't know who to take it to. You live in the city, Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Irvine. This is a 1937. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos. Take a shot from the side here. Look at this beautiful machine. Now, this one came in with some carburetor problem. It had double linkage. One of the carburetors was opening before the other one. So we took it and we literally had to modified the linkage. We got it idling nice, we got it running nice, we got both carburetors open at the same time. It is very, very important that when you have dual carburetors, that they open the identical same time, that they are both balanced. If you got the bubble balancer, so you can balance both carburetors. And now we're doing a clutch on it. Now, a lot of the time when you got an older car like this, a lot of people think, well, it's a lot easier to work on. Oh, not a car like this. Not a car like this. You really have to pay a lot of attention and you have to treat it correctly and treat it with respect like it is. When they bring me a car like this, I put it on the hoist, I work on it, I finish it, and I ask the customer to pick it up. Because I don't want this thing sitting in my parking lot, anything happening to it. I treat it with a lot of respect. My name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. You have a classic car. You live in the city of Newport Beach, Huntington Beach, Seal Beach, Irvine. Give us a call. Any of your questions. If you need help with a body shop, I got some really good body shops that specialize in this. A really, really good body shop that I can recommend you. Again, give me a call with any of your automotive questions. 714-375-2661. I can fix anything except a broken heart. I got 3 daughters and a granddaughter. I stole that from one of my friends. His name is Scotty. Take care.